So I'm going to show you how to make a blog with your mobile phone. Any smartphone can do this. The first thing you need to do is to check if your browser is in desktop site. So you have to tick this. So you can see I've ticked it. So it's on desktop site. So now let's view the blog that I have. The blog that I have. Let's see how it looks. This is the blog that I have. You see, it does not look good at all. It does not look good. So what we have to do now is to find a template. So now we can get this by doing this. I mean it's free template, free Blogspot templates. So we can come in, then we come in. Yes, I like this. The Viva templates is very good for both PC and the smartphones. When you use it, and you can see it is free. Let's check the live preview of the template. You can see it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So let's download it now. So it's downloading, just download it. Then we can go to where it is. You can go to download from your file manager. From here you can see it is here. Then you extract it. This is it. You can easily extract this. Only this, you need just this. Or if you wish to have this, you can take this, any one of your choice, but this one is attached to the slider that goes all about. So this is it. You can take any of the two. So you come back here, you go to Blogspot, the Blogspot, the website of my website, or you can call it blog. So now we come to the themes to change the themes. So we come to backup and restore, then we choose file. So we choose file. So this one is the one that have slider. Why this one does not have the slider? So let's check the one that doesn't have a slider. Let's see how it looks. So let's read the blog now. As we can see, we have shows a perfect blog. So you see, if you want to check it on the desktop view, also see the desktop view of it. Can you see? It's very, very good. So you can subscribe for more video. Thank you very much, guys.